Hi and welcome to Life Practices. This is the last video in our belief series. Please watch the previous videos to understand all about beliefs and affirmations. Do you believe in God or the universal spirit or any higher power? If so, why? Because we have a belief that God protects us and grants our wishes. We pray to God, and while praying, we ask for all the positive things. People go to the holy places and pray to God, believing that the power at those places are more. People hold particular times as sacred, saying those times are particularly good for praying. Then, why are all the prayers not answered always? Is God selective? No, it is because of the strength of your belief. The real question is, do you believe that God is there in every place and at all times? If so, then why some particular places and some particular time? Why the positivity only during prayers? People are very positive when they perform their prayers for a few minutes in a day, and are negative for the rest of the day. But one thing to remember always is that God says only one thing, and that is Tathastu, which means let whatever is in your mind, so be it. The problem is with us and our thinking and beliefs. That is why affirmations become very important to keep us always positive. The most sustained thoughts and beliefs always get the blessings from God as Tathastu. Therefore, mind your mind. Please watch the next series on peace and how to lead a peaceful life. Everything in life are based on our beliefs. So all the upcoming videos will be based on the belief series. It will be the root for everything that we do. If you have any questions or comments, please write to us at shanayarunk@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.